PowerShell is built into Windows 10, and it can do much more than simply run commands. You can use it to manage files, check your system, troubleshoot network issues, and automate repetitive tasks. In this guide, I'll show you the basics you need to get started. First, click the Start button and search for PowerShell. Select Windows PowerShell from the results to open it. You can also click the Start button and look for Windows PowerShell in the available options. If you need elevated permissions, choose the Administrator option. Once PowerShell opens, you'll see a command prompt with a blinking cursor. This is where you enter commands. The path shown before the prompt tells you which folder you're currently working in. Type a command, press Enter, and PowerShell displays the result below. Yeah, it's basically a text-based way to control Windows. Let's try some basic file navigation. Enter Get Location to see your current folder. Then use Get Child Item to list the files and folders there. To move into another folder, use Set Location, followed by the folder name or path. For example, Set Location Documents moves into a Documents folder when it exists. PowerShell can manage files without opening File Explorer. Use New Item to create a file or folder, Copy Item to make a copy, Move Item to move it, and Rename Item to change its name. You can also use Remove Item to delete items. Be especially careful with delete commands and always verify the path first. You can also use PowerShell to inspect your computer. Try Get Computer Info for detailed Windows and hardware information. Use Get Net IP address to view network addresses or Get Process to see running processes. These commands are useful when you're troubleshooting or simply checking what's happening on your PC. You don't need to memorize every command. PowerShell includes a built-in help system. Try Get Help Get Process to learn about a specific command. You can also use Get Command to find available commands. So, when you're unsure what to type, PowerShell can help you find the answer. And that's how to get started with PowerShell on Windows 10. Open it, learn the prompt, navigate files, manage folders, check system information, and use the help system when you need it. With a little practice, PowerShell can become one of the most useful tools on your PC.